right in front of us. Oh, light and weight. This machine carries the bulk of a heavy weight. The display today is being performed for you by Group Captain Hari Nair of HAL and Lieutenant Colonel Piyush Kumar of Army Aviation. This beast of a combat machine is armed to its teeth with a stunning array of weapons. A chin-mounted gun, 68mm rockets, air-to-air and anti-tank missile truly makes for a lethal combination. Equipped with a powerful Shakti engine, this is the only helicopter in the world that has the proven ability to take on targets at Siachen Glacier, world's highest battlefield. Here she is, perform minimum radius turn. Now, ladies and gentlemen, please notice the rapid pull-up and the unique ability of the rotor, as the pilot will point the helicopter under negative G, far away from the ground, to come to a hover position. As you can see, this flying machine has sufficient reservoir power and rotor thrust. The air is now diving sharply to gather momentum and come in front of us to demonstrate a few of its other maneuvers. The light combat helicopter has made rapid strides in its development over the last few years. The sleek platform is rock steady on straight lines with minimal vibration, making it an ideal platform for weapon delivery. She is now performing a wing over to come in front of us. HAL has placed India among those very few countries that have the capability to develop dedicated combat helicopters. Combined with the single-engine Deluxe you had witnessed just before and the World War horse ALH Dhruv and Rudra, HAL has displayed complete mastery of the art and design of developing helicopters. Here she has performed a sharp rudder turn. Today, HAL is venturing into another frontier, the Indian multi-role helicopter, which will be dedicated in a few years from now. That would complete HAL's presence in every and all segments of the helicopter. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a warm round of applause as the